A big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me this fantastic casting for preview and review. We have the soon to be released Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 6, the Tommi Makinen edition, the Toyota AE92 in ADVAN livery, and also the ADVAN containers from the Part 64 series. This will be released on the 27th of August for members and 28th of August for the public at Tarmac Webstore. You can refer to the link down below in my description and also check out with your local hobby dealers. What's also included is the Greddy Toyota Supra, which is already released, limited to 1,248 pieces. Also the fantastic BMW Team Diorama, which is also released, which includes an exclusive model, which I also will unbox on my channel, including many interesting diecast photography. Let's take a closer look at the EVO 6 Tommi Makinen edition. Comes with a standard Tarmac Works presentation in the case. Sleeve comes in red, similar to the body color. Behind spots the signature livery from the casting. You can see the info for the Tommi Makinen edition, including the license info for Mitsubishi. Really like the backdrop, it's very realistic. Also included is a collector card with Tarmac signature container design. Wow, very nice presented casting, very impressed. You have the standard label on the base. The display base is based on the actual road in Japan, which Tarmac Works shared their Instagram story a few days back. Very happy to own this Tommi Makinen limited edition. This particular EVO 6 was launched in the year 2000 to commemorate Tommi Makinen 4 consecutive World Rally Championship wins. The red paint and the livery are also similar to the Makinen rally car. The actual EVO 6 is now a highly sought after collectible, hence I'm very happy to own this exact replica in 1:64 scale. High quality craftsmanship by Tarmac Works. I really like all the intricate details from the exterior to interior. The paint job is clean and sleek, just like it's fresh out of the showroom. Very impressed on the overall, definitely one of the casting for EVO collectors. Looks even better out of the base. I'm very happy that the wheel sets are able to roll, and I understand that this is a model car meant purely for display and not on the tracks. Still is an added bonus, although it will not roll smooth. The winning factor is definitely the overall presentation. The interior is very well detailed with the racing seats. You can see a lot of effort is invested onto this casting from Tarmac Works. It's no doubt the ideal casting for all model cars collectors. And this will be on sale on the 27th and 28th of August. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing and preview. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.